So we're looking at the main Python file here, and that's the entry point for the project that we built. Now I want to take a look first at the assets and the project structure itself, and then talk a little bit about the code. So in the project structure here, we have the main project of PyGameSystemManager shown in the project window. Then I've created an RMC folder, which is a convention for Ravello Multimedia Consulting, the name of my GitHub and quite a bit of my code base. Within that, I kept a structure where I used Python packages for organizing some of the main areas of concern. Each of these, what looks like folders, contains first an init.py file that's created automatically by PyCharm, and I understand that's a bit of just how the Python environment knows about the structure of the packages in your project in the namespaces. So from the main project file, for example, you're able to see the import statements which bring in OS and PyGame from other modules that I didn't create. And then I use this from blah import blah syntax to be able to get at the code within the different packages that I have. Now if we look at some of the core functionality, there's an event dispatcher which I created and I used quite a bit. Then inside the PyGameSystemManager folder itself, I have several areas. One is the systems. Systems is render system, input system, audio system, and the base class. The entities are what I called a sprite, really. It's the on-screen elements that I will render. I created a base entity that has width, height, x, and y, and knows how to get rendered every frame. Then I subclassed that, and I created originally a rect. That's just a block that you can put a color and a size to. And then I don't actually think I used that after I got into development. And I created the image and the animated image. In the game that we publish here, you can see that the different elements here are, starting with the upper left, there's the background image. That is the image entity. Then there's the score and restart. Those are text entities. Then I have the animated image entity used for the coins and for the character as well. They're made up of a series of images. Let's say the coins, for example, a series of images that show each of the frames of the coin as it rotates, and the animated image entity knows how to step through those and observe the frame rate. Then let's jump down to the examples. In the examples, I created my own entity specific for my game called custom character that handles the physics of the character falling and colliding and the movement of character. And then I have the custom game system itself. So in the final video, I'll take a look at the custom game system itself and show you how that works.